How to use garlic to kill fleas. Using garlic to repel and kill fleas has become quite popular in the pet world. Rather than use potentially dangerous chemicals to keep your dog flea-free, you can use garlic and get the same results. You should consult with your veterinarian before using garlic to make sure your dog can handle the treatment. Fortunately, it is quite easy to kill fleas with garlic. Things you will need: raw garlic, garlic supplements, garlic treats. Add fresh, raw garlic to your dog's diet. The amount depends on your dog's weight, so consult with a holistic veterinarian. Garlic makes a dog taste bad to fleas. Give your dog supplements that contain garlic. Many pet stores sell products that contain garlic just for the flea killing and prevention. Follow the dosing directions on the label. Feed your dog treats that contain garlic powder. To make these flea-killing treats, dissolve 3 beef bouillon cubes in 1½ cups of boiling water and set aside. Mix 2 cups of whole wheat flour, 1 cup of cornmeal, 2/3 cup of brewer's yeast and 2 tablespoons of garlic powder in a large bowl. Add 2 egg yolks and slowly add the beef-infused water while stirring. If done properly, the dough will become quite thick. Roll the dough out on a floured surface until it is 1/4 inch thick. Use cookie cutters to cut out your cookies and place them on a greased baking sheet. Bake for 20 minutes in a 350 oven, then turn the heat off and let the sheet sit in the oven for at least 3 hours. The garlic, along with the brewer's yeast, will keep the jumpy pests away from your pooch.